up, y'all? It's your girl Emani Nicole, and I'm back with another video for you guys. I just got home from work and I'm just too excited. I literally put my stuff down and got my camera and was ready to record. So I already showed y'all a little peek of it, but we have a package. I wonder who it's from. Because I'm really excited about this package, so let me just go ahead and open it. And it's in another bag. So, you guys, look. Betterlength sent me some clip-in extensions. Be bald no more, hey. I ain't gonna be bald no more, hey. I ain't gonna be bald no more, hey. I ain't gonna be bald no more. Drop. Okay, I'm gonna stop being extra. But yes, Betterlength reached out to me and wanted to do a collab. So I wasn't about to pass that up. You got me bent if you thought I was. So yes, it comes in this cute little packaging. Look at it, it's so cute. This like silk bag, and it says Betterlength, hair for black women. And for those of you who haven't heard of Betterlength, it's basically a hair company that makes hair for kinkier textured hair. And this is the hair, and it's one bundle, and apparently one bundle can cover your full head. It's 100% virgin human hair. They also give you needle and thread and 2 clips. Oh, and it's a little note in here. It says, "Dear Emani, glad to work with you. Wish you enjoy the clip-ins. Don't forget to let me know how you like it. Looking forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Betterlength, Bella." Oh, and then she gave me little clips for my hair. I've been meaning to get these. Thank you, Bella. Yeah, and it's just information about the clip-ins. It shows you how to wash the hair. I don't know if you guys can see that because the lighting is really... Yeah, it gives you what products to use, how to wash the hair, how to dry the hair, and after installation, how to keep the hair moisturized. So I got, the hair texture I got is the Afro Kinky curly clip-ins, and I got them in 16 inches. So, and the bag is pink on the inside. So, the hair. Let's go ahead and... Ooh, it's so soft. It stinks. It definitely stinks, so it definitely needs to get washed. This is the curl pattern, as y'all can see. Nice little coils. And then, you see? It's all. Okay, so here's one, and it has 5 clips on it. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is so nice. It really smells bad though, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. So this is 5 pieces. There's another one with 5 pieces. This one is 4, and it looks like this. You can see it's really dark. Y'all know I have color in my hair, but it's really, really dark. However, you're able to dye this hair, flat iron this hair, even though it's not recommended that you do, but you do have that option. Another 4. And then it goes to 3, like so, and then another 3. I'm not gonna hold these up because y'all know what they look like. A 2, so 3 2s. Well, actually 1. So 3, 2 clips. And this is enough to cover my whole head, guys. Y'all not about to be able to tell me nothing. You know what? There's gonna be a part 2 to this video. This was the opening and unboxing, my first reviews on the hair. It's very soft. It does need to be washed because it smells processed. Natural hair color. It's like natural black because it has like some brown undertones in it. So yeah, but I'm going to install it first without washing, and then I'm going to do another part 3 video. Part 3 might come a little later, but part 3 is going to be me installing the hair after I washed it. So thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Everything pertaining to Betterlength will be down in the description box below, and I will have this specific hair texture in the description box below, and my coupon code and where you can purchase them. So I'm excited.